Why does your scanner show the P1354 engine code? What does it mean? P1354 is a diagnostic trouble code for variable valve timing system malfunction, Bank 2. This engine code indicates that specifically on Bank 2, according to online automotive resources, this code indicates a problem with the timing of the camshaft on the specified bank, often related to the VVT solenoid or oil flow to the VVT actuator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty VVT solenoid, oil flow issues, electrical problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in particularly models like the Lexus RX 300, ES 300, and Toyota Sienna. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.